Good morning. I am Wendy, and this is Tea with Wendy. Today, I want to introduce you to my grandmother, and she is going to share her personal story about courage and moving past your fears to success. I hope you enjoy it.
Well, let me tell you a story. When I was a little girl, I loved school, but when every summer vacation ended, it was hard for me to get started again. The closer it got to the first day of school, the more excuses I would make to myself. People won't like me. What if they don't like my clothes? What if my friends moved away, or are not my friends anymore? But my grandmother told me that it is not about how others feel about you. Life is all about what you think of yourself. Remember, you are somebody. You are precious. You're a winner and not a whiner. You are enough. For whatever the situation is, you are enough to overcome every obstacle. That's the kind of mindset that will draw the right and wrong people into your life. Knowing who you are will help you understand the difference and bring you to a place of peace and success in your life.